Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are getting ready for our next episode. As you can see, I am having an orange wig, you guys, black eyebrows. We are going for this character. We're gonna choose a clown, you guys. Okay, I'm almost close to closing this Halloween series, you guys. Once this finish, we'll start with the Novembers and Decembers. I can't wait to show you guys what I'll be recreating for those holidays. So let's get started, you guys. Let's go. If my face is already prepared, I decided to prepare my face so that way it would close down. It will be a lot less of the video. Also, I did my brows, you guys, so it won't last so long. It won't be too much of the video. So let's get started with the makeup, you guys. All right, you guys. So starting off, I am using my e.l.f. right here, you guys, concealer. And we're gonna put that all over the eyes because we want to make kind of like not a scary clown, but a very exaggerated clown. Okay, guys, so in here we're making sure we're blending everything, and then we're gonna use this next palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna place this white one, and I'm using my Twisted Sisters. This was given to by my beautiful mother-in-law. I'm using this shade, the orange and the red, to make it a little bit pop more. Then I'm gonna go with the red one, and I'm just gonna do a crease between in like a halo eye sort of, and then we are gonna also darken it to make it more defined, the look. And we're gonna apply my glitter primer, you guys, and then the glitter is from 5150 Lashes, you guys, in the color orange. Also squeezing those lashes is very important, you guys, okay, so you can make it look like you have an extension. So in here we mixing two different foundations, you guys, so that we could get close to my skin. We're making sure that we diffusing everything and there's no strokes. Then here we closely going, I'm super close to my eyebrow so it can make sure that it doesn't look uneven. Okay, then we're gonna top it off with airspun powder, my holy grail. This is the best. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply this same orange from the Twisted Sisters palette. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on the bottom, and we also using this other palette, you guys, to make it more pop, the orange. And I'm using my favorite palette as always. This black one, you guys, is super rich and super dark. I love how this shadow looks, and it stands out with one stroke. You guys could see how dark this color is. It's amazing. So next time we're just gonna go ahead and refill those lines, you guys, to make sure that it's gonna stick out a little bit more. Then we're gonna apply some glitter on top all over, so that way it can make it like a little crazy clown. And I'm gonna use my neon pigments, and then we're gonna go ahead and use my lip liner, you guys, so that way you guys can see. And then my Wet n Wild orange. Oh my god, you guys, when I saw this I was like, I need to have this. Then we're gonna give it into an ombre. We're gonna go ahead and apply the black, you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and use a little bit of glitter. And then now this is the final one that I wanted to put like a little bit more defined to make it look a little bit tiny, scary, not too much. Then we're gonna go ahead and draw some lines, you guys, to make it more defined. So we're just gonna go ahead and just keep putting lines, go all over. Thank you so much for watching. And here you guys have her, a crazy clown, you guys. I wanted to do something a little bit more something that is gonna stand out, you guys, as a clown. Not a pretty clown, but like a creepy clown, okay? So here you guys have it. She already did it, you guys. Comment down below what you guys think about this look. Subscribe to my channel, share this channel, guys, so that way I could bring more videos to you guys. Like I said, we're about to be getting ready to close down almost Halloween series, you guys, so we can start the Novembers and all the holidays, guys. I am so excited for the holidays. I hope you guys are too. So take care of yourselves, you guys, and see you guys to the next one. Bye.